Hey, welcome back to Crack's Country Cooking. Today, we're making salmon on the Weber. So first things first, we're gonna trim this down here. Take this off. We'll take this off. I'll save this because this can be used. You can see the seam right about here. Anything too thin is just going to burn. So this will be our main piece that we'll use. Take any scales off that you see. Let me take care of this and then we'll season it. We're gonna season this with chud rub. Haven't tried it on fish yet, so we'll see how it does. This is nice and hot. Okay, now we'll rotate. Way too hot. We had to pull that off to glaze it. So Hoisin sweet soy sauce glaze. So if the Weber's too hot, you can do this, move it up off the grates a little bit. Put the top on it, let it go for a couple minutes. All right, it's about 1:30. That's where I'm going to pull it. And top it off with some sesame seeds. We'll let that rest. Well, there she is. Give it a try. That's good. I don't even like fish, and that is good. Wow. That salty sweet soy sauce, perfect for this. A little bit of the chud rub, it's a pepper forward rub. It's really good, especially on the Weber. Damn, that's good. Well, that's it. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Watch our past videos. We have more videos coming out. You can follow us on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and of course, YouTube. Really appreciate the support. See ya. It's dinner time.